What's up guys, I'm Matt Milholm from SGTF. I'm here to tell you guys about a real cool event coming up in the next few months here. It's going to be the New Heights Tricking Gathering hosted by my good friends Nick and Manny. The gathering is going to be held November 21st to the 23rd out in beautiful Palm Springs, California. A lot of great people, a lot of good times, a lot of good tricks. So make sure you guys keep your calendar clear. Come check it out on November 21st to the 23rd.
Hey,
Brother Dad! Oh hey!